In today's video, I will walk you through how to make grid in Inkscape. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below and let's jump right in. First, launch Inkscape and open an existing document, or create a new one. A blank canvas is perfect for practicing. Next, go to the File menu and select Document Properties. This will open the document settings where you can manage your grid. Inside the Document Properties panel, click the Grids tab. From the Grid Type dropdown, choose Rectangular Grid for a standard grid or Axonometric Grid for isometric designs. For a basic grid, select Rectangular Grid and click New. The grid will appear on your canvas. You can adjust the spacing X and spacing Y values to control the size of the grid squares. Smaller values create a tighter grid, while larger values create more space between the lines. You can also adjust the Major Grid Line Every setting to control how often stronger grid lines appear. This can make it easier to measure and organize your design. Once you're satisfied with the settings, close the Document Properties panel. The grid will remain visible on your canvas and can help you align objects more precisely. To quickly show or hide the grid, press Hash or Shift+3. Remember that the grid is only a design guide and won't appear in your exported artwork. And that's it. You've learned how to create and customize a grid in Inkscape for cleaner and more precise designs. And that's how to make grid in Inkscape. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.